Have you ever bought a packet of peanuts or almonds thinking healthy hai yaar, but what if I told you the same snack might actually be doing more harm than good? Hi, I'm Kirti Prakash and we help people in reversing their diabetes in the most simplest, fastest and the most natural way possible without any kind of medicines, insulin, fancy diet or any kind of tough military regime. Now I know when you're at the office or midday cravings hit, what do you really reach out for? Badam, peanut or some form of mixture because it sounds healthier than the chips, right? Well, not always. And here's what we're going to cover in the video. Why peanuts and almonds are seen as healthy snacks. The hidden danger no one talks about. Organic versus non-organic and why it really matters more than you can even think of. How to choose the right nuts for your blood sugar situation. And my final recommendation, which is safe, tasty and diabetes friendly. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for the next time you pick up that healthy kind of a packet. Segment 1. Why we all love peanuts and almond. Let's be honest, when it comes to quick and healthy snacks, peanuts and almond top the list for most of us. They're easy to carry, affordable and super satisfying. और सबसे important बात ये है, ये nuts healthy feel होते हैं, right? They're packed with protein, which keeps you full for longer, fiber that supports for your digestion, healthy fats that are good for your heart, and then there's magnesium and vitamin E, which is essential nutrient that supports your immunity, skin, and overall cell health. For someone who's diabetic or even someone who's just diet conscious, peanuts and almond, they seem like perfect snack, especially when you're in the middle of a hectic work day, running from one Zoom call or Google meeting to another or one physical meeting to another. और फिर जब छोटी सी भूख लगती है, एक मुट्ठी बादाम या peanut seems like to be the best choice. And it's not just really about nutrition. Studies suggest that including nuts in your diet can actually help with your weight management, reduce inflammation, and even improve blood sugar control in type 2 diabetics. But here's the twist. ये सब benefits तभी मिलते हैं जब nuts सही type के हों. It's not just about eating nuts. It's about eating clean and safe version of them. क्योंकि अगर आप गलत type के peanuts या almonds को खा रहे हो, तो benefit की जगह नुकसान ही होगा. And that's where most people get it wrong. Segment 2. The dirty truth about healthy nuts. Now, here comes the shocking part. Peanut and almonds, two of the most common Indian healthy snacks, also labeled as healthy, are actually some of the most pesticide-heavy crops in the world. Let's talk about almonds first. Almond trees are super vulnerable to attacks from pests like navel orange worms, or fungal infections like hull rot. Farmers, in order to protect their crops and avoid financial losses, spray these trees with chemical pesticides and herbicides. बहुत बार तो ये spraying इतना ज़्यादा होता है that the entire crop gets drenched. Same goes for peanuts. Even though they grow underground, they are heavily treated with pesticides during cultivation and storage. And now here's the scary part. A lot of these chemicals don't really get washed off. They seep down into the nut. So when you eat non-organic almond or peanuts, you're not just eating a healthy snack. You're eating chemical residue that your body was never designed to handle. These chemicals act as endocrine disruptors. मतलब आपके hormones को directly affect करते हैं. They can mess with your insulin regulation, lungs, skin, and even brain and reproductive system. And just think about this for a second. Diabetes is also an endocrine disorder. So अगर आप already diabetic हो or borderline हो, these nuts could actually make things worse for you, if not better. Segment 3. Organic versus non-organic. It's not just about a fancy label. Let's clear up this big misconception right now. ऑर्गेनिक बस एक मार्केटिंग ट्रिक है या फिर अमीर लोगों का फैशन है. Honestly, that's just not true. Organic peanuts and almonds are grown without synthetic pesticides, herbicides and fertilizer. No harsh spray, no hormone disrupting, no slow poison, just clean natural food the way nature intended it. And जब आप nuts को consume करते हो, you're not just avoiding harmful chemicals, you're also giving your body something cleaner and more bioavailable. That means your liver, kidney, gut, skin don't have to work overtime to flush out the toxic leftover. आपका immune system भी relaxed mode में आ जाता है. And here's another advantage. Organic nuts are usually fresher. Since they don't contain artificial preservatives, they are often stored and sold faster. So you get more nutrient and better taste. In fact, कुछ studies ये भी suggest करते हैं that organic peanuts contain more antioxidants and especially polyphenols. And for diabetic people, that's a big deal because antioxidants help reduce inflammation, which is one of the basic triggers behind insulin resistance. So it's not about the trend or the status or the fad. It's also about what you're putting inside your body. So if you care about long-term health, especially as a diabetic or a pre-diabetic or just switching to organic, it's not just a luxury thing. It's a smart decision. So what should you actually do? Here's a quick checklist. Choose organic peanuts and almonds. Always check packing for labels like unsalted, dry roasted, or no additives. Don't go overboard. Nuts are healthy, but also high in calories, so be careful around that. Pair them with protein or fiber like chana or eggs to make your snack complete. So next time you feel like grabbing a healthy snack, remember that peanut or almonds तभी तक healthy होते हैं जब तक वो controlled portion में खाए जाएं. So, if you're someone who's trying to eat healthy, manage sugar, and make smart choices, this one tip can help you in choosing clean nuts that can actually help you in going a long way. But wait, nuts are just one part of the story. What if your breakfast habits, your morning routine, or even your chai time biscuit are secretly messing up with your sugar? Check out this video on 7 morning habits to control your blood sugar, and I think that'll really help you a lot. If you're dealing with diabetes and looking for the simplest, safest, and the most natural way to reverse your diabetes without relying on any kind of medicines, metformin, insulin, or even harsh military-style diets, our personalized one-on-one diabetes reversal mentorship might be exactly what you need. In this exclusive mentorship, you'll work directly with the team and you'll get close, tailored guidance where we'll not only address your issues of blood sugar, but also other surrounding issues and the root cause that causes it. We'll rebuild your health in a way that feels natural and actually fits your lifestyle. So that means no unrealistic gym routines, no boiled Karela diets, just practical desi solutions backed by science and designed for real people with real lives and not someone who's signed up for a gym and managing diabetes all day long. Because this is deeply simple and personal work, we can only take 10 to 12 serious people every month. To be eligible, you must meet these 2 criteria. You're serious and committed to reversing your diabetes. Number 2, you have a proactive mindset, not a victim one. If this sounds like you, click on the link in the description. Book a consultation with my team and we'll assess your case and see if you're a good fit. We're excited to help you reclaim your health and finally experience what real natural diabetes reversal looks like. See you soon.